Hello, everyone! Food safety is super important to stay healthy. I always make sure to eat cooked food and drink boiled water. Because raw food or unboiled water can have germs or bacteria that we cannot see.
If we eat or drink them,
We might get sick with a stomach ache or fever. Eating cooked food and drinking boiled water kills all the germs, so it's safe. This helps me stay strong and not get sick.
always remember, eat cooked, drink boiled.
Oh,